Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Oscar Health for plan comparison and enrollment step by step clearly. Visit the Oscar Health website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill in your basic information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the site's requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Select your state of residence from the drop-down list. Provide your date of birth to verify your identity. Enter your zip code to check the plans available in your area. Complete any additional required personal information. Review the information you entered to ensure it is accurate. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You will receive an email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Oscar Health website to log in with your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Plan Comparison section. Input your specific health needs and preferences for tailored results. Review the list of available plans based on your input. Compare the details of each plan, including coverage and costs. Select a plan that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Follow the prompts to begin the enrollment process. Provide any additional information required for enrollment. Review your selected plan details one last time for accuracy. Confirm your enrollment by clicking the Enroll button. You will receive a confirmation of your enrollment via email. Keep this information for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.